each other, their rhythm becomes one. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like a melody, a perfect rhythm meant for me. Like a song beneath the moon, my heart started dancing to your tune. Every heartbeat, every sound feels like love has come around. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. Like the ocean meets the shore, I don't need to search anymore, because my heart has finally found the rhythm that makes it sound. Oh, Jah, may give thanks above for this beautiful love. Heart to heart, beat by beat, our souls move so complete. You are my heart's rhythm, the beat that keeps me alive. Two hearts moving together like one beautiful sunrise. You are my heart's rhythm, the song my soul was waiting for. With every beat, with every breath, I love you more and more. Oh baby, our hearts beat as one. Yeah. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your smile is my favorite sound, the sweetest peace I ever found. Your touch brings my spirit near, your love removes every fear. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me sound. Like a one-drop reggae beat, our hearts move so naturally. Every pulse and every sound shows your heart belongs with mine. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every time, forever with you by my side. You are my heart's rhythm, the beat that keeps me alive. Two hearts moving together like one beautiful sunrise. You are my heart's rhythm, the song my soul was waiting for. With every beat, with every breath, I love you more and more. Listen me now. Some people search their whole life through for a love that feels this true, but Jah blessed me from the start when He connected heart to heart. Every sunrise, every night, your love keeps shining bright. Every memory we create makes our bond become so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your rhythm is the love I know. Like the bass beneath the song, with you my heart feels strong. Every beat inside my soul says your love has made me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the bass, love is moving through this space. One drop beat, two hearts flow together forever. That is all we know. No fear, no doubt, our love will always find a way out. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes. stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I would choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your heart's rhythm will always be. You are my heart's rhythm, the greatest song I ever knew. Two hearts beating together forever, me and you. You're my heart's rhythm, heart's rhythm. A love that time cannot divide. Through every season, every year, I'll keep you by my side forever, forever. Our hearts will be as one. Yeah. Some songs are written, some songs are felt, but the greatest melody is two hearts becoming one. Listening up in a world full of faces, in a world full of choices, there is only one heart that feels like home. Hey. Before you came into my life, me was walking through the night, searching for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your smile and gentle care, you showed me love was always there. Every moment by your side brings a peace I cannot hide. Every heartbeat lets me know you are the place my heart will go. No one else could take your place, no one else could bring this grace, because the love I feel inside is a love I cannot deny. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this precious love. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your love makes my spirit whole. You are the only one, the one my heart has chosen, the one who makes my world shine like the morning sun. You are the only one, no one else could take your place. Forever in my heart, forever in my embrace. Oh baby, you are my forever. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Boundaries dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my favorite sound, the sweetest peace I ever found. Your touch, your love, your gentle way makes me thankful every day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold, because the greatest treasure found is the love we share right now. Through every season, every time, I will always stand beside. Through every joy and every pain, my love for you remains the same. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. You are the only for a love that feels as true. But Jah blessed me from the start when He brought you to my heart. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the home I know. Every sunrise reminds me why I see forever in your eyes. Every memory we create shows me love was worth the wait. You are my peace, you are my song, the place where my heart belongs. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing true to tree. One heart, one dream, together forever, like a beautiful stream. No one, no, no, and no one, no time could ever replace the love I found in your embrace. You are the only one, the greatest love I've ever known. Through the sunshine and the rain, you are my heart's home. You are the only one, the one I will always choose. Through every year and every day, I will never lose. Forever, forever, my heart belongs to you. Yeah. In a world full of people, my heart found one, and that one will always be you. Listen me now. Some people travel the world searching for paradise, but I found mine right here with you. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your smile and gentle care, you showed me heaven was right there. Every moment by your side feels like waves upon the tide. Every heartbeat lets me know this is where my heart belongs. No distant island, no golden shore could ever give me something more, because the peace I feel inside comes from having you by my side. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this amazing love. Every day, every night, your love makes my world bright. You are my heaven on earth, the greatest blessing I have known. In your arms I found my peace, a place my heart can call its home. You are my heaven on earth, a paradise inside your love. No treasure could compare to you. You are my gift from above. Oh baby, my paradise is you. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my favorite sound, the sweetest joy I ever found. Your gentle touch, your loving way brings sunshine into every day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what Some people chase the stars above, looking for a perfect love, but I found something pure and true the moment I found you. Every sunrise, every night, your love keeps my world right. Every memory we create feels like a dream that came to fade. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the home I know. You are my peace, you are my song, the place where my heart belongs. Love, feel the rhythm, feel it breathe. Love is flowing, through the trees. No crown, no gold could ever be more precious than you to me. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. You are my heaven on earth, the love that makes my spirit rise. Through the sunshine and the rain, you bring color to my skies. You are my heaven on earth, my forever, my dream come true. Through every season, every year, my heart belongs to you. Forever, forever, my paradise is you. I don't need to search the world, I don't need to chase the stars, because heaven was waiting for me right here in your arms. Yeah. Ooh, listen me now. The rain is falling outside, the world is quiet, and here in this moment, it's just you and me. Midnight rain is falling slow, softly dancing by the window, wrapped together, holding tight, finding love inside the night. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night. Then you brought a peaceful flame, and nothing ever felt the same. Every whisper, every touch shows me love can mean so much. In your arms I find my place, lost inside your warm embrace, like the raindrops on the glass. I want this moment here to last. No other place I'd rather be than where your love is covering me. Oh, Your gentle touch tells me more than any words could say before. Every moment, every sigh feels like stars across the sky. I don't need a perfect day when your love is here to stay. Through the darkness and the rain, you bring sunshine to my day. Like a river flowing deep, your love is a promise I keep. Every heartbeat, every sound shows the love that we have found. Hold me closer, don't let go. Let this feeling slowly grow. Through every storm, through every time, forever with you by my side. Midnight rain falling down, your love turns my world around. In your arms I feel so safe, like a dream I never wanna wake. Midnight rain, slow and sweet, your heartbeat moving next to me. While the storm is passing by, I find heaven in your eyes. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Rain is falling through the trees. Slowly dancing skin to skin. Let this love forever begin. No noise, no crowd, just your love around me now. A midnight moment, a love so true, a quiet word, me and you. When the morning comes again and the rain becomes the sun, I still remember this night where our hearts became one. Every season, every year, I will always keep you near, because the love I feel tonight will forever shine so bright. Midnight rain falling down, but your love is my sacred ground. Through every moment, every day, I will never walk away. Midnight rain, soft and slow, the sweetest love I'll ever know. When the world fades out of sight, you are my dream tonight. Forever, 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 my heart belongs to you. Yeah. Let the rain keep falling, let the night stay long, because in your arms I have found where I belong. Listen me now, some feelings are spoken, some are felt in a simple touch. In a quiet moment where two hearts understand. When you reach out and hold my hand, I feel a love I understand. A gentle touch, a peaceful way that makes my worries fade away. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night. Then you brought the softer light and made my whole world feel right. Every moment close to you feels like something pure and new. Your embrace becomes my place, a home of love and endless grace. loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Your gentle hands and loving eyes make me feel I found my paradise. No perfect words could ever show the depth of what my heart knows. I don't need diamonds or gold. Your loving heart is what I hold, because the greatest gift I see is the love you give to me. Like a warm breeze in the night, you make everything feel right. Every moment that we share shows me how much you care. Hold me closer, stay with me. This is where I wanna be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. Your velvet touch feels like a dream. I never want to leave. The way you hold me close brings the peace my heart believes. Your velvet touch, a feeling words can never explain. Like sunshine after rain, you wash away my pain. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the organ flow. Let the music move us slow. Two hearts beating, one desire. Love burning like a gentle fire. No fear, no doubt. Your love is what my heart is about. And the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your velvet touch will always be. Your velvet touch, the sweetest feeling I have known. In your arms I find my peace, a love that feels like home. Your velvet touch, a treasure my heart will always keep. Through every season, every year, your love is all I need. Forever, forever, my heart will stay with you. Yeah. Some touches disappear, but the ones that reach the soul stay forever. And your love will always feel like home. Listening up under the stars, with the moon shining bright. Some moments become memories that last forever. Sitting with you under the sky, watching all the stars passing by. A glass of love, a quiet night. Everything feels so right. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night. Then you brought a different flame, and my heart was never the same. Talking both our dreams and plans, holding gently to your hands. Every story that you share shows me how much you care. Like the moon above the sea, your love keeps calling me. In this peaceful moment we find two hearts moving in one time. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Moonlight shine, heart so near. Your love is all I feel. Like moonlight wine, your love gets sweeter with time, slowly filling up my soul, making broken pieces whole. Like moonlight wine, a feeling so rare and divine, underneath the stars above. We are lost inside our love. Oh baby, stay with me tonight. The night breeze moves through the trees, softly dancing with the leaves. Your laughter is my favorite sound, the sweetest joy I ever found. No need for crowds, no need for noise, just your voice and your gentle smile. Every word you say to me feels like a beautiful melody. I don't need riches or gold, your loving heart is what I hold, because the greatest treasure found is the love we share right now. Like a candle glowing bright, you bring warmth into my life. Every moment next to you feels like a dream coming true. Hold me closer, stay with me. This is where I want to be. Through every season, through every time, forever with you by my side. Like moonlight wine, your love gets sweeter with time, slowly filling up my soul, making broken pieces whole. Like moonlight wine, a feeling so rare and divine, underneath the stars above. We are lost inside our love. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Moon above, ocean below, two hearts dancing, moving slow. Every secret, every dream is more beautiful when you're with me. When tomorrow comes around and the sun is shining down, I remember this tonight, when our hearts were shining bright. Every year and every day, my love for you will never fade, because moments like this prove I was always meant for you. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the home I know. Like moonlight wine, your love gets sweeter with time, through the sunshine on the rain. I'll choose your heart again. Like moonlight wine, forever yours and you are mine. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, under the stars with you. Yeah. Some nights are forgotten, but some nights become forever. And this moment, this love will always shine.